I just got back from a trip. I was at a convention in Houston. Got some sick content there for the channel, so I should be able to post that soon. But I was just doing my thing today, trying to think of a video, scrolling through Twitter. I came across this. This is CryptoPunksBot. It tells like all of the sales of CryptoPunks and bids placed and stuff like that, so it's pretty cool. If you don't know what CryptoPunks are, they're these little pixel looking faces. There's different traits and variants, and they're one of the first NFTs ever. And I've been seeing this account right here. So this is basically an Ethereum address. Look at the addresses because I'm curious whenever I see these. And I've been seeing this one show up a lot lately. So I decided to click into this and check out their account. So we can see that they placed a bid on this CryptoPunk. This is a zombie CryptoPunk, which is pretty rare because there's only 88 of them out of 10,000. We can also go and see who placed the bid. So then I came across this account. I guess this is Punk's OTC second account. So I always see Punk's OTC on Twitter as well. They're basically someone that just buys and sells CryptoPunks. They got in early, they know everything about them, they know the traits, they know what they can do well on and flip. So right now they own 79 punks in their account. The total money that they've spent buying punks is $3.62 million, 1,940 ETH or so. And the total amount they've earned from selling punks is over $62 million, over 33,000 ETH. So I just find this stuff fascinating, incredible to see, and it's all on chain. The information is all here, so anyone can come check this out and see the history of what's happened with this account or with this NFT project or anything on the Ethereum blockchain. And you know, when ETH was $4,000, this is probably a couple $100 million in profit at that time. We can also scroll down, see what punks they currently own, and you could look at this and see what they own, what's working for them, and maybe implement that in a strategy for yourself. You can see what they have for sale and how much they have them listed for. You can see their current bids. You can see what they've bought, and we can see what they've sold. And these sales are pretty crazy, you know, most of them are over $100,000. I think the biggest one is down here. On scrolling, lots of sales, very impressive. What did that say? 431 punks sold, absolutely incredible. This is probably the biggest one. 550 ETH for over $1 million on this zombie punk with the shades. Super interesting stuff, something to think about. You know, there's people out there just flipping these CryptoPunks, making crazy money. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it interesting. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.